This is a 99 Mariah. This is a pretty big bow rider. It's actually a 20-foot. It's got tons of features. It's got a trim switch here. It's got a built-in cooler with a built-in drain on the swim platform. It's got storage all over the place. There, here, that's also another built-in cooler. It's got a drain built in. Glove box. There's storage everywhere up here, like even there, under both sides, there's storage. Both sides, storage there. There's an anchor locker up here. This is pretty cool. This is another built-in cooler. So there's 3 of them on the boat. And yeah, this is pretty much it. It's got a radio. Sounds pretty decent. Look at this. When you turn it on, it's got a power antenna.
This hot track is missing something.
Turn it off for the sake of the video for now. And then there's storage under here. It's got a really wide ski locker down in there. So that's one thing I really like about this boat is all the storage in it. All the gauges work. We got about a half tank of fuel. Voltage regulator works. This is a built-in compass. It's kind of seized up. Sometimes it works and other times it just is stuck on south. Yeah, the boat sounds great. It's got the through-hole exhaust. Let's put it in gear and take it for a spin. This boat, so it's got the Chevy 350, and with that through-hole exhaust, it's got a ton of power. So let me get out to the more open part of the lake, and then we'll kick it up and go a little bit faster. Okay, so there's also storage under here too, when the back is lifted up on both sides. Then this whole seat, there's actually storage all the way under there. That's one thing I really like about Mariah boats. They put their boats together really well. There's the engine. It runs incredibly smooth. All right, I think the boats have kind of cleared out. Again, crank it up. And we'll put it in gear, get turned around. I'm not full throttle. We're going about 35, 40 miles an hour. This boat will do every bit 60 miles an hour. And this boat handles extremely well. It's got power steering. Ride's really smooth. If you know anything about Mariah boats, they're built really well. They're kind of heavy boats, and so they ride waves really easily. They just cut right through them. It's a really soft ride. All right, we just went under the bridge. We're coming through the no wake zone, and let's open it back up again. And I only gave it about half throttle, and it jumps right up on plane. I don't know if you can see the rainbow behind the boat. The exhaust makes so much mist. There's always a rainbow behind the boat. It's pretty cool. We're going about 40 right now. This boat will do every bit of 60 miles an hour easily. I rarely ever push the boat that hard though. But yeah, there's two rainbows. I don't know if you can see them, double rainbow. It's kind of cool. All right, thanks for watching.